Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a gnome for Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute gnome, let's first start by drawing his big oval nose. So we're going to come right here and just draw a big curve for the top, come down, and then we're going to round it off to create our oval. And same thing in the bottom and connect. There. So now that we have this big oval in, let's come to the top right here and we're going to draw this curve right over, and then it's going to come down and right here. So just imagine this, there's just this big curve that goes over the nose for the hat. It's going to come down and then we're just going to spread it out, bring it out to about right here and about right there. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the hat, the rim of the hat. So I'm going to bring this up and thicken it up. So I'm just going to follow the curve I've created, go all the way up. And then we're going to do the same thing here and bring this down. There, so just creating this little rim for our hat. Then from there, let's go up nice and high. You can make it as high as you want, but I can't go too high because don't want it too tall or else it won't fit on my thumbnail too well. So I'm just saying about right here. And then about right here, I'm just going to come down on the other side. And let's go past that curve and we're going to draw the little tail for our hat. So let's bring this down about right here. And connect it. And draw a big poofy circle. There. Okay, so now that we have the hat in, let's go ahead and we're going to come back to this nose right in the center, but right here we're going to draw his little mustache. So let's come about right here and we're just going to draw a really low, long mustache. It's all up to you. Just that long one would be really cute. You can make yours shorter if you like. So same thing about right here. And connect. There. And then because we have some space right here, I'm just going to come right in this space. If you have some space, I'm just going to go right across and just draw a curve. So just a little bit of indication of his face. Then from there, we're going to come back to this side. Just come down here and we're going to just start his beard. So right here. So I'm going to bring his beard nice and low, long beard. Basically his whole body, right? So we're just going to bring it in and say about right here towards the center. I'm going to curve it a little bit and then connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see here. Let's draw his body. So we're going to come back to this area about right here where it starts to curve in. And I'm just going to bring out a slight angle line and bring it in. So same thing here. Slight angle and then bring it in. So we're going to bring this curve right underneath his beard and connect at the bottom. There. And then let's see here. Bring this a little bit more so it matches that side. And then now his feet. So right in this space where it's curved, we're going to pop out these cute, simple gnome feet and then just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. Right about here. Just pop out a curve and then bring it in. There. And then for some hands, I thought it'd be really cute because this is a Christmas gnome, right? Let's come right here next to the beard in this area where the hands would be. I'm going to come right here, really close to the beard and just draw this oval. Be a little bit flatter on this side and rounder on this side. And that's the hands. Maybe put a little 2 lines right there. Hopefully that doesn't make it look like an animal paw, but I'll see. So then in this area right here, we're going to put in a candy cane. So come right above the hand and I'm just going to curve This really big candy cane that's sitting right on his side. So bring this down. It's kind of squished against his beard, and then we'll just bring this down and connect. There. Okay, so then let's put in some stripes so we know for sure it's a candy cane. Go up, and right here we're going to curve, and maybe another one right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the other side and let's draw a little present if you want. So right next to it, just same area, kind of like where the hands would be. We're gonna have about right here. We're just gonna draw a little box, not too wide, just thin box, and about right here I'll stop. And once again, just draw that little oval, which is a little bit flatter on this side, and then connect. And bring this box down to about right here. And connect. So put a little lid on this box, a little bow, nice and simple hopefully, and a little center ribbon. There. I'm not going to put a line. I don't think I should put a line. It makes it look like a paw, right? For an animal. So I'll just leave this one as is. And let's decorate the hat, of course. So right in the center, I'm just going to put this big, beautiful heart on our hat. And then I'm going to put in some holly leaves to decorate it. There. Can't wait to see your fan art and see what kind of gnome, how you decorate your gnome for the holidays. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you oh, actually, you know what, right here, forgot a little mouth. If there's room. But that is pretty much it for this cute little Christmas gnome that I hope I helped you draw fun and easy and that inspired you today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.